Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, guys. Right now let's take a look at the gold market. The gold market, on the daily chart, we actually do not see something really impressive, something really new. So some minor retracement has started here, and today's session stands mostly as an inside one to Wednesday session. So nothing really significant has happened yet. The one thing that I would like to talk about again, so this is the statistics of the SPDR fund. So as we said yesterday, this recent rally up was not confirmed and was not supported by the real money inflow. So investors are not hurried to buy more physical gold. And actually, with this rally that has started in the end of the June, it's absolutely isn't supported by new inflows on this SPDR fund. So the statistics shows the outflow. And then on yesterday, it's again has lost approximately 4 tons of gold, although as you can see, upward action is continuing. So this is very warning sign, and it means that the foundation of this upward action is really fragile, and we should treat it mostly as a retracement. It's not yet some drastic reversal, something of that sort. This is just a bounce. And we should treat it correspondingly. So it means that if you even have the long position, you should not focus on some far targets, too extended targets. It's better to use nearest targets that we have. One of them on the 4-hour time frame chart, as we said, the nearest target will be 120, 1248 area. It's 1618 extension, final target of our head and shoulders pattern that has been formed here. At the same time, guys, right now what we see, theoretical double repo sell has been formed, at least by the shape of this price action. So we have thrust up, close below, 3x3, close above, and close below. This is by letter, this is double repo pattern. But actually, by its nature, it's not quite a double repo. Why? Because this action after the second penetration of the 3x3 looks too slow. So this is not some acceleration, this is not the failure of the bulls, this is not really drastic reversal that usually triggers by the double repo. This is some kind of the moderate retracement stance. That's why I think that it's better to skip this trade and not trade it as the double repo pattern. So in a very short term perspective today, guys, we should keep an eye on the two moments. First of all, this is low of this candle, because this will be very important from the perspective of the retracement. So currently, guys, one of the scenarios that I have drawn here, as you can see, it could become the butterfly. And if it will be butterfly, it will let market to complete 1618 target of this pattern. This A, B, C bottom. This is one of the scenarios. And at least until these lows will be valid, will not be broken, the scenario of the butterfly will be valid. And as you know, today will be probably very volatile session since the European Central Bank meeting will be, so it could bring some volatility on the market. This really could let gold to complete this butterfly. So if this low still will be taken out, in this case, guys, I think that's better to talk not on the double repo pattern, guys, but maybe on some kind of the ABCD retracement, because you can see the second penetration of the double repo, if it stands even slower than the first retracement here. So this leg you can see even flatter. So this is not good sign for the double repo, and probably it tells that it's not a double repo at all. But still, if market somehow will break this area and taken out of these lows and erase the opportunity for the butterfly, in this case, maybe market will complete some kind of the ABCD pattern to the first 1235 area support. As you can see, 1234, 1235 stands in agreement with this target, or maybe even deeper retracement will happen to the 161 at 1230. 1230, this is confidence support on a daily chart. Sorry, on the 4-hour time frame chart. But anyway, this is really very small retracements, and this market shows really fast action up and very slow action down. It means that probably will be just retracement, and market should keep chance to complete finally the 1618 extension. It just depends on the depth of the retracement here, or maybe it will happen even immediately today if market will form this butterfly. So keep an eye on this loss. Until this loss is valid, market keeps chance to complete this butterfly. So anyway, currently, guys, would not see any signs of the bearish reversal. This is just short-term pause in the upward direction, and it looks like retracement because overall price action with this retracement stands gradual, very slow. So it's typical for the retracement action.